Hi friends and welcome back to Max Electronics. In today's video we will be having a look at this HAGGER EG203E timer, which is actually just out of my switchboard. The reason is there was a storm, and after the storm passed the power was out and it was actually on and off. It was a brownouts and all sorts of stuff. The timer came back on but with nothing on the screen. It was just green, so I'll show you that right now. I'll plug it in. It's a dual timer, so it's got two outputs for different. I'm using output A is for all the lights, the sensor lights outside, and output B is for decorative lighting, you know. So say output A would be on from the dusk till the morning until the sun comes up, and output B will be on from say 6 p.m. till 11 p.m. until you don't need decorative lights anymore. So here it is. I'm going to turn it on now. And the screen did come on this time. That is weird. I'm thinking maybe the battery inside is... Oh, there we go. Now it's dead again. Yeah, nothing happens. So screen's glowing green. As you can see, there is a green LEDs. Oh, it's back on again. So maybe there is a bad battery. Bad or 9, so there is a problem. Let's open it up and have a look what is inside. So it is just clipped in. Hopefully I don't have to buy another one. This is a really good timer. Alright, here we go. We do have a battery inside, and that's probably bad. So we've got capacitors there, will look okay. There is a relays with a very, very beefy contacts. That's pretty cool. So let's unplug this, and let's see if we can get this part out. I think we can. Maybe I'll even upgrade LEDs from green to white. We'll see. Let's measure the battery and see what it says. It is a lithium one. .5 volts. Well, 3.6. What is it supposed to be? Do not recharge, so it is a single use. The voltage must be on the other side, so I will have to get all this out carefully and then we'll have a look inside. So give me a sec until I get all this circuitry out. Okay, I finally managed to pull it apart. That was an effort to get it out of there. So we've got an LCD screen here with buttons. Standard liquid crystal display. We've got the blob chip, 4 MHz processor, and battery. So what I'm thinking, the battery measures okay, so maybe I just need to reset it. So to do that, I'll probably remove the battery and see if I can actually change the LEDs. Put the white ones on. So I'm going to do that, and disconnecting the battery will reset the processor, because it is a processor. You can see there's a crystal, which would be the 32 point whatever it is, for the clock, and there's another 4 MHz here. So it is a processor with the timer. So I'm going to do that, get my soldering iron on, and desolder the battery, swap the LEDs, put the battery back in, and see what happens. So technically it should be on even without the power. Once I put it in, it should have the time. So let me do that, and I will have a look if it worked or not. The battery is out, the LEDs have been replaced. You can see the nice white ones in there instead of the green ones that are here, and they all kind of got stuff, goo stuff, or all, yeah, they're not good. So here's the moment of truth. I'm going to put the battery back in and solder in place. The battery is 3.6 volts, so it is what it is supposed to be. So that's holding strong. That's definitely not the issue here. Alright, let's solder that in. Alright, it's in, and now let's put it together, and that's going to be the moment of truth where it's going to work or not. We'll see if the display lights up or stays dead. It would be a shame because it's a really good timer. That's family in, and oh, look at that. It is working. That is cool. So it's been reset. Awesome. Let's put it in the enclosure and power it on. See if it'll still work with the white LEDs. That'd be interesting. Alright, that's in. Yeah, the timer is definitely working. Let's put that back on. And let's assemble this. Okay, so it's just a clip away. So it does go dark when there's no power, just in case. That's in. Alright, the moment of truth. Here we go. And alright, power is on. LEDs are not working though. Let's turn the light off. Oh, they are working. They're just dull. I wonder if removing one LED and just shorting it out will make it brighter. I'm going to try doing that, so give me a sec, I'll pull it back apart again and see if I can short out one white LED to make them a bit brighter. Okay, so that's back together. I've removed two white LEDs. Where are they? I've lost them already. I've removed two white LEDs and just shorted it out, so we'll see now if it's going to be a lot brighter. Here we go. Oh yeah, definitely, look at that. That lights up the whole screen and evenly. So that's pretty good. So it's white now. So that's it, the time is fixed. Let's try turning it on. Yep. And the B. That works just fine. And it should not reset the time if I turn it off. Yeah, the time is still going. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video about fixing the DB or BD909 error on the HAGGER timer. All you need to do is remove the battery and put it back in, and that fixes the error. Must have been some sort of a glitch during the power cycling when it was browning out. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Max. I will see you next time. Bye.